Hello friends, as you know very well that there are two major approaches to study international relation. First is realist and second one is liberals. So in this video I am going to share with you short information about realist approach to study international relation. So let's begin. If we talk about chief realist thinkers, then Thucydides, Niccolo Machiavelli, Thomas Hobbes, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and Max Weber, these are the chief realist thinkers. And Hans Morgenthau is considered one of the founding father of realist schools in the 20th century. Realist schools of thought holds that nation states are the main actors in international relations and the main concerns of field is the study of power. Hans Morgenthau, in his book Politics Among Nations, states that politics is governed by objective laws that have their roots in human nature. The theory emphasized that international relations are shaped by the tendencies of human nature, since it is not changeable but only controllable by a higher power such as the state. For realist, global politics is first and last about power and self-interest. This is why it is often represented as a power politics model of international politics. For realist thinkers, the theory of power politics is based on two core assumptions. First is people are essentially selfish and competitive. It means that egoism is the defining characteristics of human nature. And the second is the state system operates in a context of international anarchy, in that there is no authority higher than the sovereign state. Realism can be divided into two parts, classical realism and neoclassical realism. Now we will see classical realism. Classical realism is one of the traditional approach to study international relation, and it was prominent prior to the behavioralist revolution of the 1950s and 1960s. It is basically normative in approach and focuses on the core political values of national security and state survival. There were three outstanding classical realists of the past. First, the ancient Greek historian Thucydides. Second, the Renaissance Italian political theorist Niccolo Machiavelli. And third, the 20th century English political and legal philosopher Thomas Hobbes. Now we will see neo-realism or structural realism. From the 1970s onwards, new thinking within the realist tradition started to emerge, which was critical of early or traditional realism. The key text in this process was Kenneth Walt's The Theory of International Politics. In this slide, the defeat of classical realism was that it could not explain behavior at a level above state, which is a limitation of any endogenous or inside-out theory. So it was a general introduction upon realist approach. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.